What if rehabilitation could be more effective, precise, and, by the way, more fun? The answer lies in rehabilitation robotics. This is an interdisciplinary field where robotic devices and automation technologies assist, empower, and intensify the recovery of patients with motor or neurological disabilities. It's not about replacing the therapist, but about providing them with an advanced tool to increase the frequency, intensity, and precision of exercises, key factors for driving neuroplasticity and functional recovery. Rehabilitation robotics focuses on neurorehabilitation, helping those who have suffered strokes, ACV, spinal cord injuries, traumatic brain injuries, or neurodegenerative diseases. The most common devices are classified as robotic exoskeletons, which are motorized structures worn by the patient, assisting or even creating the movement of their limbs. Think of the Lokomat, which helps patients with paralysis re-educate their gait, strengthening muscles and improving balance through controlled repetitions. Then there are end-effector devices, which interact with the endpoint of a limb, such as the hand or foot, to guide movement. These are ideal for fine rehabilitation. Imagine a system where the patient performs hand or arm exercises through an interactive game on a screen, improving coordination and strength while having fun. Finally, therapists and assistive robots motivate and guide using virtual reality to turn repetitive exercises into engaging experiences, increasing patient participation and adherence to therapy. Robotic therapy is not just technology, it is a catalyst for a better quality of life. A robot can perform thousands of repetitions with a consistency a human therapist couldn't match, stimulating the formation of new neural connections. Furthermore, the device adjusts to the exact range of motion and the level of assistance or resistance each patient needs, optimizing therapy in real time. With gamification and the collection of precise data in every session, patients remain more engaged and therapists have clear metrics to evaluate progress. Rehabilitation robotics is opening a future where recovery is more efficient, accessible, and hopeful for millions of people.